Welcome to my Motif Hexagon series. This is what we're going to be making today, so grab your crochet hook and yarn and let's get started. We're going to start our project by making a magic ring. We will then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, which will count as a double crochet. We will do 1 double crochet and then chain 1. Make 2 double crochet and then chain 1. This will be our pattern for this round. We're going to do this 4 more times. Altogether, you should have 6 2 double crochets together. So we're going to close our magic ring. Now we will slip stitch into the top of the chain 1, and then we'll go underneath to the first stitch, and then we will make our way over to the chain 1 space. That is where we'll work from. You can chain 1 and then cut your yarn. We are done with this color. This is what you should have thus far. And I will cut off my tail. For the next round, and we change our color, we're going to connect our new color, and we're going to chain 2 in this space. This does count as a double crochet, as will all the other chain 3. Then we're going to be working around the back part of the bar. So you'll go into here, around the bar of the double crochet from the previous row, and you will make a double crochet around that bar. So yarn over, go and grab the bar, and then we will do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the chain 1 spaces. So yarn over to do a regular double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This will be the pattern for the rest of this round. So